Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. This is Alecia's kitchen, and in today's video I'll be making my very own shrimp fried rice. Yay. Okay guys, so guys, when making shrimp fried rice, make sure to have like a day or 2 days old rice, because the refrigerator here, it helps to dry the rice a bit, which is why stale rice is much preferred to use rather than the actual fresh rice. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So guys, for my rice, I'm using my 2 days old rice, some mixed vegetables, spring onions, red onion, soy sauce, olive oil, oyster sauce, 2 eggs, my bean sprouts, and the most important ingredients, my shrimp. So guys, on medium to high heat, I'm sauteing my shrimp for about a minute, because you don't want to fully cook it, because it's still going to be on the heat, and if you overcook it, it's just going to be rubbery, and you don't want that for your shrimp. It's supposed to be a bit tender. It's supposed to be tender. Okay. Now guys, to season my shrimp, I'm using my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, paprika, So guys, for my eggs, I'll be frying them in olive oil, then I'll be transferring them to the other skillet. So guys, I'm also using my red onions, and I'm just gonna combine everything and just saute them for about a minute or so. Now I'm adding my vegetables. And my bean sprouts. And then guys, I'll be adding some more Old Bay seasoning. Then I'll be combining my rice to that veggies. Now guys, I know cold rice, it never tastes good left over, but this is just perfect for fried rice. It's perfect for fried rice because it's not moist, you know. So yeah, so guys, now I'll be adding my olive oil. And some soy sauce. You don't want to add too much soy sauce because you know it has a lot of salt in it. So yeah, I'm also using browning because the browning is what's gonna give it the color, guys. I don't like a white fried rice. I like my fried rice to be a bit brown, you know. Yep. I'll also be using some oyster sauce. Oh, this is gonna taste amazing with this sauce. And we're just gonna combine that, and yeah. Just stir it in, honey. Just stir it in. So guys, for those lumpy rice, just, you know, press them out with your wooden spoon and just continue turning your rice over. Yeah, just press those out, honey. Like, it doesn't matter, just press them out. Ooh, guys, really. I mean, I'm not bragging because I'm the one that did this, but guys, really, I'm a sucker for fried rice, man. Sucker. If I'm going out to a Chinese restaurant, best believe this is what I'm getting. Fried rice, shrimp fried rice. And guys, everything that I make on my channel, these are things that I absolutely love. I never try anything that I hate or try anything that I know won't taste good, because you know, you can tell how something tastes based off the ingredients. If you get what I'm saying. So guys, now I'm just topping that with some green onions or spring onions or scallions. I mean, in Jamaica we call it scallions, but I think they're different though. I'm not sure if they're the same, but here in Canada they call them green onions. I've never seen scallions here, so yeah. So yeah, just continue turning your rice and let that fry a bit. So yeah. Oh my goodness, I would eat this again. Whew. Guys, I'm also adding some parsley because you guys know I love parsley. Y'all know I love parsley, okay? Everything have to have parsley in it. And it's healthy, so yeah. Look at that fried rice. Look at this award-winning fried rice. Award-winning. Guys, if you try this, guys, really make sure to add me on IG if you try this. If you're on IG and you try this, take a picture and add me and show me how this turns out, okay? Guys, we've come to the end of another amazing videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn in your post notification, and thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Mwah.